The U-Anchor from Anchor Products is the fastest and easiest method for creating a watertight and maintenance-free solution on any commercial roof type. The U-Anchor can be used for anchoring heavy equipment, solar arrays, pipe and wire management, bracing and support systems, safety and protection, and more. For additional information such as product selection assistance, data sheets, detailed drawings, testing reports, and even to hire a professional to install the U-Anchor for you, log on to www.anchorp.com or contact 888-575-2131. The following instructions are meant to be utilized by an experienced and professional roofing contractor using the proper equipment, techniques, and safety protocols, not just the average handyman. Each installation should always follow the specified roofing manufacturer's written specification. Align the U-Anchor according to the engineered design. Most designs are transferred to the roof surface with chalk lines. Install the U-Anchor plate using the correct type and quantity of fasteners specified by your design professional. Temporarily install the cover membrane over the plate. Outline the perimeter edge of the cover membrane using a wax crayon. Remove the cover membrane after. Prime the marked roof surface and U-Anchor plate using the appropriate asphalt primer for your roof type and brand. Allow the primer to dry completely. Apply the cold process adhesive to the primed area using a trowel or brush at the specified application rate. Install the cover membrane back over the U-anchor plate and align properly. Please note that some roof manufacturers may require alternative installation methods, using additional layers to be installed underneath the cover membrane. Embed the cover membrane into the cold process adhesive completely and evenly, while leaving a 1/4 inch bleed out around the perimeter of the cover membrane. Based on the desired look, you can then apply matching granules to the bleed out. Finally, install the 2-inch separation disc prior to installing any additional hardware. It is not required to adhere this in place, as this is only used to protect the materials underneath and not for waterproofing. However, this can be adhered into place if desired. You have just completed installing the best anchoring system on the market for commercial roofs. Now you can go ahead and attach your mission-critical systems and components to the roof with confidence. Always be sure to have an experienced and professional roofer install your U-anchor while following the proper techniques and roofing manufacturer's written specification on every installation. And remember, if you need it installed on your roof, we can do that too. Thank you for choosing Anchor Products.